In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Microsoft Teams try-checking your internet connection problem. If you're experiencing connectivity issues with Microsoft Teams, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to attempt to resolve the problem. Here's a systematic approach to diagnosing and fixing Teams connection issues. 1. Check your internet connection. Verify your internet connectivity by opening a web browser and navigating to any website. 2. Sign out and sign in back into Teams. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the Teams application. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. After Teams closes, reopen the application and log in again using email and password, and see if the problem persists. If not, 3. Clear Teams cache. Exit Microsoft Teams app. Open the File Explorer and type appdata Microsoft/Teams in the address bar. Delete the content of the folder to clear the cache. This step might vary slightly depending on your operating system, but generally that's how it's done. 4. Reinstall Teams. Uninstall Microsoft Teams from your device. On Windows, you can do this from Control Panel or Settings app under Apps and Features. Look for Microsoft Teams, click on it, and then click on Uninstall. And after that, download the latest version of Teams from the official website and reinstall it as we said in the previous video. 5. VPN connectivity. If you're using a VPN, try disconnecting and reconnecting to it. Sometimes toggling the VPN connection can resolve connectivity issues. 6. Use the web version. If the desktop or mobile app is not connecting, try accessing Teams through a web browser by going to www.teams.microsoft.com. 7. Disable ad blockers if you're using the web version. And 8. If none work, try to restart your Wi-Fi modem. Power off your Wi-Fi modem, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.